Hello friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little friends, today we will enjoy coloring our favorite Moana movie characters. I'm sure you all must have watched the movie and it's an awesome one. So while we color these, let's know some fun facts. Number 1. The name of the movie Moana means ocean and is of Hawaiian origin. Number 2. It's the 56th animated Disney movie. Number 3. Maui is based on demigod Maui. So there is one of the main characters, Maui, in Moana. So that character is based on the demigod Maui. Maui is an important mythical figure in Polynesian culture. He is a powerful demigod whose adventures form a lot of Polynesian traditions. Number 4. They used real pigs for the voice of Pua. So the pig Pua in the movie Moana, so the pig's voice was the real pig's noises. Number 5. The chicken in Moana movie Heihei is believed to be the dumbest Disney character. Number 6. The voice of Moana, the girl who voiced the main character Moana in the movie, is named Auli'i Cravalho from Hawaii and she is 16-year-old only. Hundreds of people auditioned to be the voice of Moana and Auli'i was the last person to be auditioned and she has voiced Moana. Number 7. For the film, astronomers researched what the Pacific Island night skies would have looked like 2000 years ago. Wow, we are starry-eyed just thinking about this. It's amazing that astronomers can research stars from that long ago. We definitely can't wait to watch Moana again so we can pay more attention now to the film's nighttime skies. Number 8. Speaking of 2000 years ago, all the outfits worn in Moana movie are made of exclusively from materials that would have been available at that time. Again, we are amazed by all the thoughtful research that went into every detail of the film. As far as outfits go, Moana wears a total of 7 throughout the movie, including the one she wears as a toddler. One elaborate ensemble she wears during a dance sequence is only visible for 6 seconds. We marvel at the thought of all the detail and research animators put into that 6 seconds. In the movie Moana, one of those main characters, Maui, was played by the typically head-shaved actor Dwayne Johnson. And animator used video of Johnson's recording sessions to help flesh out Maui's movements. Maui's dimples and eyebrow raises are directly based on Johnson's. So dear little friends, this was all the 10 fun facts for the day on the movie Moana. Now let's enjoy the drawing. fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.